Sanjay Nirupam has been shown the door. Sanjay Nirupam has been axed. He has been removed as the president of the Regional Congress Committee in Mumbai. And instead, Milind Deora is the new Mumbai Congress chief. Aishwarya joining live with us with that letter also that is released by AICC. They're thanking for his contributions, a cryptic, brief communique from the Congress party. Aishwarya.
Well, absolutely. And we all know that how embarrassed Sanjay Nirupam has made the Congress leadership. And now this action coming in right prior to 2019 general elections. Though Sanjay Nirupam has been given a ticket, it is sense of a compromise. It is gives a sense of a negotiation that he will go out quietly if given a ticket. He has been given a ticket for 2019 general elections, and that is from Northwest Mumbai, Sakal. So very clearly now Milind Deora, the man who's not only a local, the man who's said to have support of at least 75% cadre, 75% top leadership, son of a senior Congress leader. Milind Deora is now the Congress Mumbai president. So this is something which is very important. Simultaneously, Sanjay Nirupam, who has embarrassed the Congress far more several times, has not only been shunted out, but a sense of negotiation has happened there as well. Because what we were being told that he had refused to bow out quietly. Hence, he has been given a ticket from Mumbai Northwest, and that will quiet him down. That will put him to rest. And now Milind Deora, so it's under his leadership of being the Mumbai Congress president, that now Congress would hope that they are able to win at least 3 seats from Mumbai, though it is still an uphill task. But with a new Mumbai Regional Congress Committee president, Milind Deora has an uphill task on him. Yes.
No, but Sanjay Nirupam does not really need much introduction, Aishwarya. You would agree that time and again he has not only embarrassed Congress party, but he has drawn a lot of flack for very, very distasteful and controversial comments, whether it is abusing Prime Minister or our forces. Perhaps this cannot be really seen as a body blow to the Congress, but more as an embarrassment for Sanjay Nirupam himself. He has been a sort of baggage for the party there in Mumbai.
Well, absolutely. Well, absolutely. And if you remember, Mallikarjun Kharge in 2018, who was the Congress in charge of Mumbai, had demanded his removal. So Mallikarjun Kharge had demanded that Mumbai Congress chief Sanjay Nirupam should be removed from his post. And that was immediately, and that was after one of his controversial statements. So Sanjay Nirupam is a leader, Sakal, who has embarrassed the Congress party far more many times. And that's why we say, even this has happened only after a negotiation. A ticket has been given to him from Northwest Mumbai, and only then he has decided to go quietly. Otherwise, you are being told that quite an uproar was expected from his side. But now, after this happening, a ticket being given to him, Milind Deora is going to have an uphill task. Son of a very senior Congress leader and a man who's not only termed as a local, but also has sensed to have support from at least 60-70% top leadership of the Congress of not only Mumbai but also Maharashtra, has an uphill task on his shoulders. But as we were just talking about Sanjay Nirupam, he is a man whose removal has been on the cards for a long while. But he has been twisting the arms of the top leadership, saying that he's going to create trouble even after Mallikarjun Kharge, Sakal, demanding that he should be removed. He was not, only and only because he was threatening the top leadership that he will create a turmoil in the Congress party, has now been put to rest. He has been given a candidateship from Northwest Mumbai for 2019 general elections, but removed as the Mumbai Congress chief.